Focal is not a newcomer to the audio game. The French company has been around since 1979, and gained followers with its Grande Utopia speaker line. In recent years, the company has been manufacturing headphones, many of which are at the high end, such as the Clear or Elegia. However, not all have a 4-digit budget, and that is the reason why the company has also added more affordable lines, such as Sphear earbuds and listening over the ears. The most affordable line grows with the Sphear Wireless $129, an untethered version of the original headphones. Despite the growing trend in recent years to be truly wireless, Focal chose to maintain the traditional design of two outbreaks connected by a cable. As much as I am a fan of the truly wireless form factor, at the innovation level, having a cable between the yolks allows for better connectivity, which means fewer audio interruptions and, of course, means you can rest on your neck at times when you do not want them in your ears. The weight of the headphones outside your ear canal, where the outer ear can hold them. It is true that they are comfortable to use, but I cannot say that I noticed a noticeable improvement with respect to similar products in any way. All you need to know is that they are comfortable.